How to fix screen flickering on Windows 11. To fix screen flickering on Windows 11, try 1. Check if the task manager flickers as well. If so, remove existing display driver, and reinstall that driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Install Windows and firmware updates. 3. Roll back your display driver, if you can. 4. Update display drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Use accent color for the personalization pane. 6. Disable animation effects. 7. Run your Windows in its clean boot and check installed apps and services one by one.